Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, and for today's video, mayroon akong i-share sa inyo kung paano i-fold ang ating plastic bag. Okay? How to fold para tidy up. Tidy your plastic bag, tidy your grocery bag. Okay? So, follow me. Take one plastic bag and follow me. Okay? Let's start. So before we start, guys, don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to click the bell for more updates. Okay, so let's start now. Then get one plastic bag so you can follow me. So this is it. So what you have to do is flatten this plastic. So this is my finished product, okay? Product talaga. Ito yung natapos ko na. So I have to put it here. Kasi guys, it's better to tidy up your plastic bag so it won't be messed up. So ugly kasi guys if you just put in a one bag and then sobrang tawag nyo dyan, pangit tingnan. So this is it. Yeah, this is my, okay, it's so many. And then, you know, I bought this one in Living Plaza also. So this one is easy. This is it. This is it. This is it. See, it's easy. So you can just buy this one somewhere else. So let's start now, okay? So, okay, let's pick up this. It's easy for you. So this is the right. Okay. Can you see me? Can you follow me? Okay. This is the handle. Fold it. Fold. Fold here. Fold. Okay. It's easy, right? Just fold. And then make it fold here, just triangle. Here, make it nice and neat. Okay. So this is it. I'm done. Put these things here. This is the, just put inside. Okay. So did you follow me? Now it's easy. See? This is it. Okay. So one more time. Let's do it again. One more time. Get your plastic bag. Easy. Busy. Lemon squeegee. Okay, this is it. Make it triangle again. That's all. See, you can see here. Put inside. See our finished product. Can you see that? Product, alam mo ano, ginawa ano. Ayan, that's all guys. So easy, right? So try to do this at your home so your plastic is very neat. Ayan, ganun ako ka ano sa mga plastic. Okay, thank you for watching guys, and hope you don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Comments also if you are satisfied in our tutorial. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time. Bye.